exhaust review for the Civic Type R. The car also got a retuned. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Let's go. Also has a little starter. Man, I can never understand people buying wheels that cost more than some people's car. Like you would drive by, oh man, this little Civic, my wheels cost more than your little Civic. Here's the exhaust. It looks amazing. Nice and subtle, it's not so loud. Driving and recording, driving manual for an exhaust video. Bad idea? I don't know. It sounds pretty good. It is very smooth up in the curve range. And when you let go of the throttle, it has that nice. So let's give it some gas. I should be fine. Oh wow, yeah. Very loud. Ooh.
And it has different openings.
Remus. Different openings? Oh, for you change on your apps?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it's Valvetronic. Nice.
Yep, so right now it's 100%.
Oh, okay.
So let me just rev it at 100.
Yeah.
Now it's at 50.
So be half of that. Yeah, 50. Oh, flip, 50%.
Now go to 20.
20%. All right.
And now 0.
So stock, so you can't hear shit.
Pretty much.
Maybe that's why I couldn't hear anything. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's it.
I'm opening at 100.
Okay, really nice. The BRZ needs to have something like that. I think. Actually, maybe I should just start doing that. I'll make my own exhaust system for the BRZ. Oh, ricer burn. He's gonna get me. Now it's 0. I don't even hear him at all. Where are we? Costco for samples. Yeah.